What is up guys, Done at the site. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Calendly to your webhook. So spoiler alert guys, if you don't have the Calendly paid version, you won't be able to connect the webhook to your Calendly. So first let's move to the integrations and app after you log in with your Calendly account, and then you need to search for APIs and webhook. You can just simply search it here, API and webhooks, and here you can see this API and webhooks has already been connected. And after that, here you can see I can generate new token. So to generate a new token, simply click on this generate new token, and then you need to add the name. And after adding the name, here you need to click on create token. After clicking on create token, you need to enter the verification code to your email, and after that, here you will get your personal access token. So just simply click on copy token and then click on close, and then you can just simply paste the token wherever you would like. So this is how you can connect your webhook to your Calendly. And yes guys, if you don't even upgrade your plan, you will get a free trial for some time to generate 10 tokens. I have already generated 2. You can generate up to 10 tokens in this free version, and after that you need to upgrade your plan. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.